Hi everyone, it's Mary Kay here, and I'm going to show you this beautiful Tunisian rib stitch. It's called 4x2 because there are columns of 4 knit stitches separated by columns of 2 purl stitches. Stay tuned. I'm using worsted weight yarn with the Tunisian crochet hook. This pattern requires a multiple of 6 stitches plus 4, so I'll chain 22 stitches. For the forward pass on the foundation row, I'm going to use the back bumps. So turn your chain towards you a little bit and you'll see those bumps on the back. Insert your hook into each one of them and pull up a loop. The back pass will be the same as usual. Yarn over, pull through 1, then yarn over, pull through 2, all the way back until you have 1 loop left on your hook. Now we'll start the first pattern row. Insert your hook as if to knit, and if you need help with the Tunisian knitting stitch, click on that link up there. Place 3 knit stitches, and counting the first loop, we'll have 4 loops on the hook. The next 2 stitches will be purl stitches. Yarn under, insert your hook into the next stitch, tuck it a little bit tight, move the yarn below your hook, then wrap the yarn around your hook in a clockwise direction and pull through. Click on the link up here if you need more help with the purl stitch. Complete another purl stitch and then we'll do 4 more knit stitches. Separate the loops on the stitches so you can see where you need to insert your hook. After 4 knit stitches, 2 more purl stitches. Repeat that pattern to the end of the row. The second row will be a little bit easier, by the way, so don't get discouraged. At the end of the row with 2 stitches left, put a knit stitch in the second to the last one, then turn your work so you can see the edge. Go into that first loop, and then into one right behind it. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and then make a regular return pass. Now we're ready to start the second row. The stitches are higher so you can see where you need to insert your hook a little bit better. Again, we'll make 3 knit stitches, and with the first loop that makes 4. Then 2 purl stitches, and pull the yarn a little bit snug so that you don't have a gap between the knit and the purl stitches. And continue that pattern to the end of the row, and also for your desired length. I've completed several rows, so I'm ready to bind off. Typically when we bind off, we're going to insert a hook as if to complete another stitch in the same pattern. So for the first stitch, insert your hook as if to knit, yarn over, and pull through 2. Repeat that on the next 2 knit stitches. For the purl stitches, yarn under, insert your hook into the next bar, bring the yarn below your hook, then yarn over and pull through. Repeat that for the second purl stitch. And repeat that pattern all the way across. And here we are at the end. Looks great. Well done. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think. And like, subscribe, and share. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you next time.